Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. Today I want to talk to you about making your first dollar with affiliate marketing. And then I want to talk about the steps that it takes or that you have to take to actually make that first dollar and then make your second, third, fourth, and so on dollar online, specifically online. The first step you need to understand is what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you recommend a product. And someone buys that product and then you earn a commission. So what is the first step in making your first dollar online? It's to actually find a good product that you believe in that is truly going to help someone and then create content. And I'll talk a little bit more about what content means as I get further on in the steps, but you need to create content. So for example, if you're an Amazon affiliate or you go to ClickBank or you go to Warrior Plus or you go to JVZoo or any of the other programs or marketplaces online that I talk about here on the channel, or that you find where you can find a product where the person that creates that product has an affiliate program where they allow you to recommend their product and earn a commission. So what does that mean to create content? So take a look here on the screen. So to make content simply means to, for example, make a YouTube video. Then you have customers or potential customers, people looking for information about products, and you make videos on them about YouTube, how to use them, how the product works, how you were able to use the product to get a result. Customers find that video, and then inside your video, you have a link to more content. More of your content, helpful content that actually helps people find out more information about the product, more information about your opinion, more information about why the product is going to help them and why they should buy it. Then they'll click on your link and go to the affiliate offer sales page where they'll actually purchase and you'll make a commission, and that's how you make your first dollar online. Now, back to the other steps of making your second, third, fourth, and so on dollars online, or actually turning this into a real business. The point here is you need to do things like build an email list, which means getting customers from your content at YouTube or your content on your blog or Facebook or wherever you're posting it and getting them onto an email list so you can follow up with them and then send them to the affiliate offer sales page again, because typically people don't buy the first time they go to the sales page, and also sending them other offers or more valuable content that helps them along their journey. Because typically one product isn't going to solve their problem, or people have more problems in that same problem area and they're going to want other products, and you're going to continue to recommend affiliate products. Again, making this a real business, being consistent and building an audience and delivering high quality content as an affiliate marketer. Because again, the first step in making your first dollar as an affiliate marketer, specifically online, is to create helpful content and help real people with real problems and give them real solutions through your affiliate offers, and making sure that they understand exactly how and why the product is going to help them by you creating valuable content that takes them along step by step along their journey as you go step by step in your journey, building your own online business and making money online as an affiliate marketer. If you'd like to learn more about exactly what I do, link in the description. Click on that link. You'll be taken over to a page. All you simply do is enter your email address. It'll take you over to some free training where it'll walk you step by step this entire process, all the technical bits and bytes or parts and pieces, whatever you want to call them. So again, you can start making your first dollar online, and then again, your second, third, fourth, and fifth. If this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here. Click that, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos, just like the ones you see right here. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.